Here's a quiz. What's the common theme among these stars? So the answer is they are all part of Diageo. Ticker symbol DEO. Today, I'm going to break down some of the information that will help you to make an informed decision whether you want to buy, hold, or sell the Diageo stock. We will break down this video in three parts. Part 1 will focus on the company introduction, Part 2 will focus on the financial health, and Part 3 would be the exact recommendation why you need to buy, hold, or sell this particular stock. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Invest for Tomorrow with Kay. On this channel, we talk about personal finance, investing, stocks, and much more. So without further ado, let's dive into our segment 1. So for those who don't know, Diageo is a British multinational beverage liquor company headquartered in London. Ticker symbol DEO is the largest distiller brand in the entire world and produces some of the most iconic brands that we have come to know and love. They operate in over 180 countries and pretty much produces beverage for every price point. Diageo's market cap stands at around 92 billion US dollars, and at the time of this recording, the stock was trading at around $158. The current price of Diageo at 158 US dollars has pretty much recovered from their March lows of 114 US dollars. Exactly 1 year ago, they were trading at about 166 US dollars. So to share two ways in which Diageo sells alcohol to consumers. One is on-premise, which means that you buy alcohol from bar or restaurant, and the second way is off-premise, when you buy the alcohol from a store. Jump on to our part number 2, financial analysis.
What you will observe here is that the organic sales have been in double-digit decline across the world due to COVID, but here in US we actually grew by 2%. The on-prem business saw a sharp decline and is one of the major reasons for such a poor performance. Here are some key statistics that I want to share with you from a valuation and growth standpoint for Diageo. From an enterprise value standpoint, Diageo is nicely valued at $112 billion as compared to their industry average of $144 billion. The PS ratio is also above the industry average, standing at about 9.5. From the growth statistics standpoint, Diageo has seen a decline of about 12.94% in their EPS in the last 5 years as compared to the industry average of only 2.27. The forward EPS growth, though, stands at about 9.47% as compared to the industry average of 3.65. So from a technical chart analysis, the current resistance level stands at around $158, but we do have a very good support line at $137. As vaccines get delivered, the on-prem businesses is going to pick up, and the chances of Diageo testing the highs of 170 from its current resistance level of 158 becomes more of a possibility.
A key metric to note here is that the institutional investors hold about 10.1% of Diageo stocks. Diageo is adopting a very consistent and disciplined approach in which focuses on organic growth, dividends, and M&A portfolio management. The fiscal year for Diageo runs from July to June, which is different from a lot of companies in the United States. So keep that into consideration. When vaccine starts to become available, more and more economies will open up, and the on-premise sales will come back up. Now on to the most exciting part, the recommendations. And here are the reasons why I believe that Diageo stock is still a buy. Number 1, increase in net sales despite the volume being down in the United States. Number 2, Diageo brands are gaining market share across several categories like Baileys, Smirnoff, Casamigo, etc. Number 3, Diageo is committed with their investment in technology to improve internal performance. Number 4, accelerated investment in e-commerce platform like Drizzly and Amazon. If you have the patience to stay invested for the next 3 to 5 years, Diageo could be a very profitable stock because it has the potential to grow as well as it pays dividends. So Diageo is an ideal stock from a value and growth perspective. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the content. If you like me to do more analysis on specific stocks, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you like the video, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel and motivates me to bring more value content to all. And in the end, don't forget to invest for tomorrow.